Today we come up with an amazing home tour. It is a very spacious double-story house with mind-blowing exterior and interior. Awesome yard is set in front of the home. Yard is partially interlocked and there is space for planting. Four sides of the land yard is bounded with beautiful wall and gate. Porch is designed at the front of the home with the supporting pillars. White color paint brings the luxury look to this home. Vast spaced open sit-out is designed elegantly and with more supporting pillars. Windows and doors are designed very well, made of wood. It is the main attraction of the home. Ceiling work is done very elegantly. LED spotlights and indoor plantings bring heavenly feeling to the sit-out. Moving on, we entering the living and dining area. Let's check out the interior decoration works. Awesome courtyard is set here. All interior designs are done by using wooden material. Beautiful table with chairs are arranged here. It brings the elegant look to inside the home. Also, LED spotlights bring heavenly feeling to the home. This is the living area. Beautiful sofa sets are arranged here. Let's check the interior decoration designs. Delightful show walls and other works are increasing the beauty of it. A eye-catching aquarium set here. This is the second living area. Beautiful sofa sets and TV units are arranged here. This is washing area. Beautiful mirror and indoor plants bring more stylish to this area. Now we are going to check the bedrooms. This is the first bath attached bedroom. Ceiling works are done attractively. Nice looking curtain, wardrobes and double cot beds are arranged here. This is the second bath attached bedroom. Interior works are done in wooden material. Wardrobes, curtains and double cot bed are arranged here also. Checking the third bath attached bedroom. Pretty wardrobes and double cot beds are arranged here. It designed almost same as the others. Moving on, we entering the kitchen area, designed very neatly and cleanly. white color cupboards. Ceiling works with hanging and LED bulbs bring the luxurious look to the kitchen. Kitchen leads to work area. Shelves, stove, racks and cupboard and washing basins also arranged here. Next we are going to check the first floor. Wooden color flooring and glass with wooden railings are used for stair. Moving on, we reached in an amazingly designed upper living area. Ceiling works are done outstandingly. Hanging and LED spotlights, cupboard, table and chair and all other modern and stylish decorations are done here. Totally, this is an eye-catching living area. This is 4th bedroom with bath attached. Let's check the interior decorations and all other arrangements. Totally, this is an amazing luxurious home design along with flat roofing. If you like this fantastic home tour, like the video and feed your valuable comment in comment box.